the greatest Agatha Mind family lovers of good things all over the world, I bring greatest from a grateful heart. Thank you so dearly for always supporting us. I really appreciate. If you are just seeing this face for the first time or you are coming across us for the first time, I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. Remember, we react to all videos and no opinion is highly needed. I have a wonderful update that I want us to watch together. I just hope that it got well with you, and I wish you a very Merry Christmas celebration. See you then.
The threat letter was not sent to the churches. The threat letter was dropped at around the headquarters and it was brought to me. I was the one that opened the envelope, read the threat letter. On seeing that, I now invited the Christian Association of Nigeria to tell them about the threat. Whether it is real or not, we have to be security conscious. So I gave them copies of the letter so that they will adjust their programs in the church. Instead of closing late, they should close on time. Thereabout, I now directed all my DPOs to ensure that every Friday, police patrol team must go to mosque and give them adequate security until they finish the Jumat prayers. Equally, on Sundays, all the patrol teams will go around the churches and ensure that they are safe, and after the church service before they close. The threat, we don't take it lightly because you don't know who is behind it. Yeah. And I've advised the Christian community to be peaceful. They should not bother. I'm on top of the situation, and I told them that if they notice anything, they should make sure they inform me immediately. And they themselves should have their security men to be on guard. If they see any suspicious movement, they should inform me. Because security is not just for the police, it's for everybody. So that's what I did. The letter came through me. I'm investigating. I've directed my SIB to move in to see if we can unravel the circumstances beyond the letter. The DSS are equally working.
No, eba new bridge and across the Coca bridge is supposed to connect from Ibuzo to inside town. But now every commuters are go stranded no zone now. Only ga gane. Ndi ani no for eba na bunde tanker drivers. Aku go that no only ga geba tata. Neba na ndi police choli welendo fa. Na the best thing ha ge meze boka ha cheliza ka ndi police beza ge welendo wa. Neba na ndi police onye tanker no na legal duty job obulu fuel ka ona ga Onitsha ndi police akwose ya sa nye bribe. Asina ha na enye bribe. Onya me ndi police jizi gba ihe egbe. This is bullets in the police. As at time of this reporting, anya more even the police say na but odolanya not the police in no patrol, either night patrol or early morning duty, because here na mena na Coca Junction na Asaba. The tanker block go both end of the road. First, no one only got gazeta because now the police, na tanker na galon had this morning.
Carry fuel.
Obu fuel.
If you say you catch fire, still go build it for here.
Obu fuel. The police away kose ha na chain na ha bribe. Onye tanker driver away sina yenwe ho ego ya ja bribe o anybody. Iwe wezi onye police away gba ya egbe. Ne onu egbe. The kwenu another of the tanker. So now ndị mmadụ unu necha anya now nwere ọzọ onye ga-esi anywhere konya Onitsha today because na ndị unu necha anya unu ga-afụ ndị mmadụ agadago.
Do you know that this is no longer a joke? The country has lost a lot, failed a lot of young, talented future men and women, the leaders of tomorrow. Can you imagine the audacity now that the bandits are not going far, writing letters to churches? Because it's no longer a joke anymore. It's no longer a joke as usual. This is what His Excellency Mazi Kano is saying. But these are only offense. The offense he committed against the Nigerian government for speaking the truth when necessary, telling that will come to a time these people will enter your home uninvited, will go to churches, mosques, palace, name them. A lot, but what is happening today? These are the example of everything that is going on in Nigeria. This is the situation of the country right now. The bandits now threatening religious leaders to shut down the churches. Hey, can you imagine this? Some people will say this is unbelievable. But a lot of people as well are not surprised because these are being the game. These people that are doing this, they've not tagged them as terrorists. Mind you, they are still people that are hustling for money, according to what their oga said. That these people, they just do some kidnapping, little stealing, to keep soul and body together, to earn a living. That is what they are doing, that they are not hurting anybody. So even in the process, if you lost your life, just know that you dedicated your life for people who wants to live, who need equality. That is what Gomi said. But if you come to southeastern part of Nigeria, where nobody carried gun, nobody carried anything, just a word of the mouth, they will say open fire on them and bring them down, crucify each and every one of them. The worst part is that they use their own people in the southeastern part of Nigeria to fight them. That is what they are doing. You see, this particular moment right now, this is the time that police, navy, uniform men, name them, this is when they will be collecting money in checkpoint to cause unnecessary accident. That is exactly what you are seeing right now. Tell me, has the country not failed a lot of people? What is the offense of His Excellency Mazi Kanu? Telling them the truth, reviewing their secrets, and they don't want it. They will just come on social media or on here, on their platform, the platform that they know that they can control, and tell them things that they're supposed to do, the way they're supposed to be doing it, what they're supposed to be saying from their mouths. These are the platform they use. So the explanation that the police is explaining, who really is he explaining to? Is he explaining to Nigerians, or he is explaining to the very part where this thing take place? Because the game plan, everybody is already aware, so there is no way you will fool anybody anymore. We are watching them closely. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. Thank you so dearly for your love and support. I really do appreciate. I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. And if you have been enjoying all this and you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. For me to you, I say bye.